Hearing noise from your brakes in Red Deer? Before you ignore it, here's what you should know. Squeaking or grinding brakes are often a sign that something needs attention. In some cases, it could just be worn brake pads, but if you hear grinding, it could be more serious. Brake issues can affect your stopping power, which makes this a safety concern you don't want to ignore. The sooner you get it checked, the better. Waiting can lead to more damage and higher repair costs. Local auto repair shops in Red Deer can inspect your brakes and fix the issue safely. Keeping your brakes in good condition is critical for your safety on the road. If your brakes are making noise, get them checked right away. Follow Shop Red Deer to discover more trusted local businesses, and tag a mechanic you recommend.